Right, folks, this one was requested by Robert O'Connor over at Patreon. He wanted to know what Mike was up to in Elderly Woman, so that's what we're going to do. This is also a great exercise for applying any sort of caged theory in terms of moving around the fretboard. I'm going to do some cage stuff very soon, and this will tie into it, so stay tuned for that. Tone-wise, I'm going neck pickup for this one. I'm also just using my Morgan MVP 66, which is... So it's that sort of tone. I've actually got the brightness knob pulled out on it. So with these settings, with the brightness knob in, and with the brightness knob pulled out. So cool, isn't it? So that's what I'm getting that extra sparkle from. It's quite a punchy tone, teeny bit of grit to it, I guess, but not much at all. Mike's part comes in at about 32 seconds in. The guitar line is... when it changes to that, right, that's where he comes in. And bear in mind this is in 6/8, so it's 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3, like that. Okay, first riff goes like this: 1 2 3 2 2 3. One, two, three. All right, that's his accompaniment. So he's outlining the chord shape, so we've got a C. But then he takes his second finger off, right? Pretty straightforward. Next part is... so we're on the A now. Okay, so again. 1 2 3 2 2 3. Little bend. And you play that open G, okay? He continues that run on the C. So a hammer on, open G, and then down, up, down. Then for the fourth bar, he does nothing for the first 3 beats. So 1 2 3, and then he goes, which you really hear. Pretty cool, right? Down, up, down, up. Like that. So that's the first 4 bars. Going to move a bit quicker now, okay? So we have the next 4 bars, which would be... that's cool. Same chord shape, right? But we've got this... so it's down, up, down, down, up, down. Like that. But notice on the 3rd chord... you do a hammer on, take your second finger off and hammer it on. And then again, you take it off. And now I've got my thumb over the top here. So I'm muting that low E so I can just strum all the strings, okay? And not worry about hearing that ring out. So that's that one. And then we go... pretty straightforward. Then we go to the E. Like that, pretty straightforward, okay? That's an E minor, right? Now, next up, Stone's obviously back to this. Mike's up here, so he plays nothing for the first bar and a half. 2 2 3 1 2 3. 1 2 3 1. So that's what he's playing there. It's just a hammer on, double stop, right, on the 10th fret on the B and E. Hammer on to the 12th fret, and then back to the 10th fret. And then... and you're basically outlining a D major chord, right? And he stays there for the next run, right? It comes in at the same point too, which is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 2 3. Subtle variation there, which I think is... and we've got a similar thing, but here. Like like that. Okay, the next part's cool. It's quite a subtle little accompaniment really, but we've got this still over that, right? So we've got 1, 2, 3. That's the first part. So we've got this little D thing. I think it's that. You could play it here if you wanted, but I like the sound of that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yeah? Then we go into this. That again. Little phrase. Then we have same as before, but then we do this. So it's a bend, release, and then open. So, you know, one of those. Then we go into this. Open D, right, for the one bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hammer on. And then you play that little dyad there. Then we've got a bar of nothing, and then that's lovely, isn't it? You could do hammer-ons if you wanted, but I'd go slide actually. So let's look at that quickly. We're going to go from the 5th fret to the 7th, and you're playing these little 2-note intervals, right? Again. And when you slide down, you're going to keep this note fretted, right? You're only picking the E though. Okay? Like that. This next part's really quiet. Comes in right towards the end of the second bar. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Next part then goes 1, 2, 3, 1. You got that going on, right? So it's 1, 1. Again, slowly. 1. Quick hammer on pull off. Again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Like that, okay? That's the timing. And then we got this. So same as we were playing before. But it's just up here, right? 14, 15. Pull off there. With the 15th that held, right? And then... Okay, that's where it goes to... Back into that part when you hit this. Okay, and then he goes into some chords. He outlines the A first, so we have... Just plays that one stab, right? Then, thumb over the top, I would. And he's playing this. Okay? And... I think there's actually another overdub going on here with some other bits I couldn't really figure out, but you know, do what you want there. So you can add the sort of, what's that, 9th or whatever on top. You know, but you do that round a couple of times. When Stone goes to the E minor, Mike's actually still playing the note here, the 8th note, right? So I don't know if that's intentional or he just got, you know, he forgot to change, but he does play that. So it's almost halfway through the bar when he was probably carrying on with this. It goes like that, right? And then you have... So that'd be... The next bit's cool. There's definitely two guitar parts playing here. He's overdubbed some other stuff over the top of it, but it's hard to unpack that. But for one guitar, you could play this, right? So it comes in 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2. It's that, okay? So really nice lick. You're basically using like a D shape. Okay. Then just a little arpeggio. Then I take my third finger off here and then do a little slide, 14 to 12. And then move up to the 14th with your first finger, because you're going to put your second on the 15th fret, and then you play. Again slowly, 1 2. And you slide that down, okay? Next part's cool. You go to some sort of bigger chords, really, almost suggesting, you know, the G. We have 1 2. Then. Next part's cool. You go to some sort of bigger chords, really, almost suggesting, you know, the G. We have 1 2. Then 1 2. You got that going on. So we have quite a quick hammer on there. Then we go to this shape again. Then he joins in with the full chord, right? He plays the C add 9. Little fill there. To the G. And again, muting that A string and the D string, right? When I'm on the C. And I'm muting the A when I'm on the G. And then for the G, got that, okay? Doesn't play much for the next bar in a bit, and thereafter that for another 4 bars, I think it is. But he does play this call when Stone goes back to the D, so. And then, right, again, it's outlining this D major shape. Getting to the end now, the next few bits are cool. We have, or, couldn't really tell what he was doing there. So I'd either do, or something along those lines. Then we have so you got hold your little finger on the 15th fret on the E and B, and then you're going to bend up the G string with your third finger and let it all ring out. It's nice, isn't it? And then 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Just a little pre-bend. I think it's a full step. The next part comes in just before he goes back to the D. But he plays 1 2 3. So you've got double stops here. Okay, so then we've got that's cool. We have then we have then a few licks at the end we have very Mike McCready. An open. Then that's the last part really. So we have and that, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.